guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel, Tales on Wheels. So today we are at Garbhanga forest, which is about 24 kilometers from Guwahati. I think you need to take a right turn from Basistha, right? Basistha Sarili, and then there's about 20 kilometers of off-roading, and through that road you can go till Meghalaya. So today we have brought two bikes. One is the Himalayan and the other is the Avenger. To be honest, if you'll see in my last video that I'll provide in the link in the description, I brought a Dominar, but the experience was not that bad, but it was quite okay. But today, to my surprise, the Avenger fared very good. I mean, it was beyond our expectations, and to be honest, in some areas it fared even better than a Himalayan. See this such a beautiful natural streams. The water here is so clear, not clear, but it's so cool and feels so fresh. So guys, now we are riding on the off-road here, and you can see it's totally gravel and mud and dirt, and it's such a secluded place. We haven't seen any villages, we haven't seen any houses. It's a very less populated area, and it's kind of ironical because it's right besides Guwahati, and Guwahati is so populated and polluted too, but this place, it's around 20 kilometers, and mind you, it would be around 5 kilometers from Guwahati mainland, and rest 15 kilometers are these off-roads. So it's such a beautiful place, and if you own an adventure bike or you want to do some off-roading, then this is the place I definitely suggest. I'll give those directions on a map in the description below, and also I'll show you which road to take from Guwahati. Oh, something has caught my eye. God damn it. Some insect came into my eye and it pained a lot. So you can see such an amazing road. You can just saddle all the way on these roads. Just go on, nothing can stop you. And you can see, as I told you before, that Avenger, it's faring so well in this road. We didn't expect. I did ride a Dominar in the previous video, and the experiences were not that good because of the suspension. It's got such a stiff suspension that on these roads, man, it's like in hell. Avenger being a cruise bike, the experience was so good. It handled this road so well, and I thought I'll be having so much difficulty maneuvering this road with the Avenger. So guys, you can see this is the intersection that you'll get when you come from Basistha. That's called Rupapang. You need to take a right from here, and this road leads to Garbhanga forest. So we were about to go back. Then I told my friend that I haven't seen the Basistha Mandir till now. So it's not much far from there. Just we need to take a left, and if you go right, then we'll reach Guwahati. So we took a left, and now we are at Basistha Mandir. So I'll show you the place and tell you a little bit about its history if I come to know something about it. Okay. So you can see the entrance of the temple is right there. That's it for today's video. Thanks for making me a part of the day. If you really like the video, please subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.
24 kilometers, around 24 kilometers from Guwahati, which is around Puribiye.